OpenAI have launched a dynamic visual explanations in ChatGPT, letting users interact with formulas and variables in real time for 70 plus math and science topics.
Command AI.
New ways to learn math in math and science in ChatGPT. So you basically have these little, I don't know if that's moving too fast for you, but you have these things that you can slide around and help visualize stuff. I was going to give it a go in ChatGPT, but I think you get the picture, to be honest.
But how can we be sure that these are correct? Because there must be some tools built in, because we know that LLMs cannot do math, if you didn't know.
So I reckon because they've been so specific on the number of, topics, 70 plus, that a lot of these are potentially hard coded in.
Yeah, there are tools, like tool calls that these LLMs have. And this is potentially something like, hey, if it's this specific law in physics or chemistry or whatever, here's the formula for it. And there is like a calculator that can do the actual calculation, because LLMs can't calculate. And the visuals also look very on brand. So it's not like AI is not generating the visuals necessarily. So there are like a brand and like a specific UI going on here. This is interesting. Like with the controls and the inputs and the output, I see consistency. So they have built around this idea, and now this is as a tool available in ChatGPT, which is welcome, and this is the way it should be, because that's how it can be reliable.
Becoming more of a learning tool as well. So in the same breath, Claude have also introduced, you can see this, they're just less interactive, more well, I guess interactive, but like more just, I guess, canvas-like and whatever. So they're
showing
also pushing, exactly, showing and not telling. So yeah, similar sort of thing, but pushing people to learn. I think this is another reason why people get so confused with AI, because it's like, well, it can seemingly do everything. I don't know where to start, Not that it's a problem. It's like you get stuck in instead of like being paralyzed by the what do they call it? The paradox of choice. Just get stuck in and see what it can do for you. But yeah, quite cool. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.